Hey, what's up YouTube? Coming with some car content today. Do you have a C5 or B5 Audi, or I guess Volkswagen Passat? Well, I kind of somehow from Googling around I found something that on a 20-something-year-old platform nobody seems to have done. Everybody always talks about the all-metal slave cylinder conversion that you can do for these because of the plastic slave always fails. I haven't had my plastic slave fail on this 210,000 mile car, but I've gone through 2 master cylinders now. So now I got everything metal. And here's what I did. So first thing, you just order the clutch hydraulics from a 96 A4. And if you look here, you can see there's the metal outlet for the metal master cylinder, and that's where the fluid goes in. You need to buy this part number of Earl's fitting, and they thread right in to both the master and the slave to get you a -3 AN fitting. And then what you want is you want a 3-foot long already crimped AN line that's rated for brake fluid, and you want at least one 90-degree end, preferably 2, but you're going to need one end to be a swivel. I didn't realize that the aluminum master was threaded. I thought it was the barb connection like the other one, so I actually dropped $90 on the JHM Motorsports hose, which is why I just have this one, and I've got extra barbs that I'm going to put on eBay. When I say barb, I mean this is my broken factory one. There's a barb connection in there, like the factory line. It's got this thing on it that goes in, but this gets you all AN everything, no stupid special parts from some company that wants to charge you an insane amount of money for them. And yeah, it just goes together. I'll put links to everything in, but you can do this whole setup for like $250 because Rock Auto's and everybody else is very proud about how expensive the friggin' all metal clutch parts are compared to the cheap plastic ones. But yeah, so I'll get all the links for everything that I bought or recommend buying for this. Oh, also 2 things to note. This master has an adjustable length, so you can kind of change where your clutch goes, unlike the stock master. And also, there's 2 different length rods for the slaves, so you should compare your slave rod length that's in your car to the slave that you bought. And if they're different, go with the old crusty one that came in your car and not put the new one in. So I'm going to wrap this up and then bleed the brakes and the clutch and have my car back. So until next time.